are very excited to begin the competition.
Me and my companion.
My companion.
For the first week of the Solar Decathlon, Team Jia has been busy. Building the main structure of the house in just 3 days. Starting to set up the electrical and ventilation system, and preparing the outside scenography. Working with an unforgiving sun, or under heavy rain, all the teams gave all they got. And yes, I said teams, plural, because Team Jia is not only an assembly of Chinese and French people, but it is also composed in groups, branches, each one with their specialization on one part of the Jia project. These teams within the team work separately, but all at the same time on the various aspects of the construction and beyond. Let's go and meet them. Let's start off with the construction team.
First 3 days we assembled the house, and since then we've been doing the inside finishing such as windows, doors and flooring.
Since day one, they are supervising the reassembling of the different modules previously built in Xiamen, putting the house back in its original shape.
Je suis responsable du bon déroulement du chantier. Je veille à ce que la maison soit réalisée dans les règles de l'art en expliquant les gestes et postures optimales à adapter pour les étudiants qui réalisent ce chantier.
But there wouldn't be any house to build without the architecture team. They conceived the outside look and the interior design to make it the most comfortable for its inhabitants.
当然，我们做设计就做了1年多，然后又花了1年的时间预搭建，然后才有了今天能够顺利的完成这个项目。目前来看的话，整个项目跟我们之前的设计相比。 比我想象中的效果要好，所以说也非常的开心，能够和这么多的队员一起合作。
The Jia house also packs some cutting-edge housing technology to connect its owners with the home. That's where the innovation team comes in.
L'innovation, c'est une maison intelligente. Donc on a connu depuis ces 10 dernières années le smartphone. Donc maintenant on essaye de s'orienter vers le smartphone, c'est-à-dire les applications dans toutes les maisons, dans chaque chambre. Elles donnent les informations de la température, le confort, on va même faire des choix, prendre des décisions.
Velux connecté, lampes connectées, tout ce qui est store extérieur, rideaux intérieurs, les contrôler via smartphone ou application sur PC. L'idée est que l'utilisateur soit acteur de son confort.
Along with these technologies, other systems like the heat pump, the HVAC, or the photovoltaics must be properly installed to match the competition goals in terms of energy consumption. That's the job of the engineering team.
We are doing outside deck and inside furnitures, and also we are going to waterproof and electricity HVAC preparing.
On est en train d'installer les tuyaux, les conduites de ventilation. Donc on a une ventilation, on appelle une ventilation double flux qui permet de garder la fraîcheur à l'intérieur de la maison en même temps qu'on échange et qu'on renouvelle l'air.
With more than 80 people from 2 different continents on this project, it would be easy to lose the track of it. Hopefully, the coordination team is there to keep everyone working together in the best conditions.
Every day, so many things. I need to contact our sponsors, and contact our teachers, and reply to many things to the committee. Every morning, me and Nat, we have a daily meeting with committee. Yeah, I need to cooperate with many people, with our team member, team leaders, to keep our construction good.
I'm the safety manager of the Team Jia, and I have to check everyone that hard hat, safety shoes, and the vest. Safety is first.
Stepping out of the construction itself, a project that big requires a lot of paperwork and organization. In the shadows, the administration team makes sure everyone here at JIA+ is provided with what they need to succeed in what they do.
I've joined this group since that year and I'm the member of the finance group. And such as like to help everyone to buy something and dealing with the tickets and buying some water for everyone every day.
No matter how innovative or original a project is, communication is essential to make it real to the eyes of the public. To that end, the communication team takes pictures, record videos, write news about the project, and post it all on social medias.
My work is to make sure that everybody gets daily information about the project, what is going on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and posting photos, and yeah.
I take care of the translation things because we work in English, so we have to translate some papers. And we work together for the Sino French same day, that's the JIA+ day.
然后我每天的话就是记录赛队成员的施工情况，并且制作推送和更新网站，然后让大家明白我们赛队成员的近况跟施工情况。
JIA+ is not just an architectural project. For each and every one of us, as individuals and as a team, it is a chance to learn from each other. Every people on those teams wouldn't be here without the others. That's how we worked our way here, and that's how we build it now.